Use star codes to stop unwanted calls and caller ID blocking. Call trace, anonymous call rejection. Block unwanted calls with call block, *60. To block a number, press hashtag, dial the 10-digit number you want to add, and press hashtag to confirm. To unblock a number, press *, dial the 10-digit number you wish to remove, and press * to confirm. To completely turn off the dialer codes, enter *80 star code. Caller ID blocking. Enter *67 and then the number you want to block from seeing your caller ID info. If you want to turn off the caller ID blocking, dial *82 and then the number you blocked from seeing your caller ID info. Call trace. To turn on call trace, enter *57 after the call ends. Anonymous call rejection. Not available in. To turn on, enter *77 star code 4, anonymous call rejection. Not available in. To turn off, enter *87 code. For anonymous call rejection. Not available in.
Other ways to stop nuisance calls.
Add your number to the free National Do Not Call registry by calling 888-382-1222 or going to www.donotcall.gov. Stop political calls by asking callers to remove your number from their lists. Get more info at the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, website.
Halt debt collection calls by asking them to stop calling if you're not the person they're looking for. If you already asked them to stop and they continue, call the FTC at 877-382-4357 or file a complaint online.